I don't exaggerate when I say you have felt the empty feeling. Has this modern world seduced you in a hole which gradually became everything you were able to see? The reason why you're here is because inside, instinctively, you possess a memory of another possibility, another world in which you actually do feel in place. You know now there's something wrong. Nature's tendency to bring balance is, once again, ever present. But what can bring you back to the place you belong to? What can rewire years or decades of monotone one-directional brain activity? The answer, in my humble opinion, is the one manifestation of a higher power we all have to adhere to. The forces of nature in their simplicity reminds us of the order of things, if we allow them in our lives. They are not laws that we feel are forced in us, but innate to our existence. As we came from nature, we understand them, even if they may be external. Like the look of a brother, they're not foreign to us. They teach us lessons all our ancestors had to learn before us. Let's not forget, we are a product of circumstances that surround us. And one simple part in the eternal chain of father to son is not able to redefine the basic needs of our race. Therefore, I call you to embrace your mother nature, which by all counts is your own essence, by leaving behind the artificial routines which distorted the realms of man. Following is Forces of Nature by Kristina Louisa Carr. Outside under the snow, I wish I could be a stone watching from below. The cold masses would provide me with peace, a state of mind which I love to increase. When there's a sandstorm arriving in a big cloud, I want to be able to withstand it alone in a crowd. The sand would surround me and rub against my skin, like an innocent warm embrace rocking my body within. When there's a thunderstorm with great force, I want to use the lightning as an energy source. The electricity will rejuvenate my tired soul, and the loud thunder will chase me out of my black hole. When a hurricane is turning the sky pitch black, I want to be outside and bathe in its violent attack. The winds would carry me to distant lands and oceans, and the rains would nurture my starved emotions. Storm crowns the oceans with white foam. Swallowed by water, I would never miss home. Crashing waves would destroy every vessel at sea, but I understand the hunger, and I cannot disagree. When the sun shines bright and it's peaceful outside, I could disappear behind large shadows or hide. The tall grass would cradle me until I'm fast asleep, dreaming of forces of nature for me to keep.